Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3R Research Actionable Update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we discuss about Q4 results of HDFC Bank and ICICI Lombard and update on stocks like KPR Mill and Cipla. Let's first look at HDFC Bank. Overall, Q4 FY21 results were steady with operational performance being mixed while asset quality improved compared to pro forma GNPA sequentially with stable NIMs, that is net interest margins and market share gains. The asset quality improved quarter-on-quarter basis with a decent pickup in advances and improved CASA helped in sustaining NIMs on quarter-on-quarter basis. HDFC Bank currently trades at 3.6 times and 3.2 times its FY22 estimates and FY23 estimates to its adjusted book value per share, and stock has corrected 13% from its high, hence the risk reward is favorable. Sharekhan Research retains a buy rating on the stock with an unchanged price target of Rs 1810. ICICI Lombard Q4 FY21 results were largely in line with GDPI, which is gross direct premium income, profit before tax and profit after tax broadly in line with expectation. Analysts expect the focus on diversifying into Tier 3 and Tier 4 city is positive and will help the company ride on growth drivers of diversifying product mix, multi-channel distribution network backed by robust risk selection and strong investment return. Valuations are reasonable at 38.6 times and 31 times FY22 estimates and FY23 estimates to its earning per share. Sharekhan Research retains buy with an unchanged price target of Rs 1750. KPR Mill with strong export demand and new capacity, the garmenting division revenues are expected to grow at a CAGR of 21% over FY20 to FY23 to Rs 2,300 crores by FY23. On the other hand, sugar division is expected to clock additional 500 to 600 rupees crores by FY23 with the new sugar and ethanol facilities commencing operation. Earnings are likely to grow at a 25% CAGR over FY21 to 23. Return on equity and return on capital employed to stand at 25% and 29% in FY23 respectively, which is the highest amongst the peers. Company trades at 12 times FY23 earning per share. Sharekhan maintains buy recommendation on KPR Mill with a revised price target of Rs 1420. Cipla stock update. The IPM, which is Indian pharmaceutical market growth for March 2021 has been impressive at 10.3% year-on-year, translating into a 5.3% growth for second half FY21 as compared to first half FY21, which showed a decline of 2.6%. This augurs well for Cipla with 40% revenues from India and having a presence in chronic therapies. Cipla is likely to benefit from short-term COVID-led opportunities. Following a sudden spike in demand for remdesivir due to surging COVID cases in India, the company has doubled its production. Further, as of January 2021, Cipla held market share of 50% plus in remdesivir, depicting its leadership position in the space. Sharekhan retains buy recommendation on the stock with a revised price target of Rs 1100. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3R Research Actionable Update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.